In 2002, Spanish inventor David Yanez saw a short film about the Tacoma Narrows Bridge in the U.S. collapsing in strong wind. It was a vivid example of the powerful vibrations wind can create when it blows past a long pole, such as a car antenna or even a stick of bamboo. That gave him the idea for a new type of wind energy generator.
The initial philosophy or spirit was to create a generator of dreams that had all the qualities one would want. It should be as cheap as possible, need as little maintenance as possible, and the setup as simple as possible.
Yanez and his friend Raul Martin took the idea to an engineering firm where they were told it would never work. Undiscouraged, they started experimenting on their own in a small wind tunnel they built. Good initial results were repeated by a larger working model called Vortex, installed in a nearby field.
What we have is a mast, which is the top piece and acts as a blade. It's constructed from the same material as a conventional generator. And what it does is it oscillates, transmitting the oscillation to a conventional alternator, which by its own oscillation converts the wind's energy into electric energy.
Yanez says the generator's output was better than expected.
We got a surprise when we saw equipment as small as this one, which is just 6 meters tall, and even smaller ones produce the results we were looking for.
The Vortex generator creates about 30% less energy than a comparable bladed wind turbine, but it is lighter and cheaper to build and maintain. It is made mostly of reinforced plastic and has very few moving parts. Also, it does not create noise, and even more importantly for many environmentalists, it does not present a threat to passing birds. The current prototype works at wind speeds ranging from 1.5 to 7 meters per second. The inventors say the next step is building a 12.5-meter-tall bladeless generator with a 4-kilowatt capacity that could power small businesses, individual homes, or provide supplemental power to the main grid. The commercial version of the Vortex bladeless generator should be ready for the market by 2017. George Putich, VOA News, Washington.